In the name of Almighty Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well. I am also well. Dear learners, this is the second class of English past paper topic, the unforgettable history. Dear students, I welcome you all to the online class of Haji Mosharraf Hossain School and College. You know that due to COVID-19 pandemic, your studies are hampered. Now it is high time you would be regular in online class, and this online class will help you to recover your lesson. Now I am going to analyze the word analysis of the topic, the unforgettable history. Word analysis is very important to you all to understand the lesson properly. So I am going to start analyzing the word. Awash, adjective. Be doto. Here it means rokte runjito. The synonym of the word is flooded. The opposite of the word is dried. Appreciate. Appreciate verb. The meaning of it, প্রশংসা করা. The noun of appreciate is appreciable. Appreciation. The adjective of the word or verb appreciate is appreciable. The synonym means সমার্থক শব্দ. The synonym of the word is praise. Affluent. The opposite of the word is hate. Dear students, you must learn it. To understand your lesson properly, and you must learn it writing down in your notebook. Now another word is blame. Noun. দোষ ত্রুটির দায়. দোষ ত্রুটির দায়. The verb of it also blame. The adjective of blame is blameable. The the synonym সমার্থক শব্দ of it is guilt, censure. The opposite of it is praise. Another word is confront, verb, means মোকাবিলা করা. The noun of confront is confrontation. Confrontation or confrontment. The synonym of the word confront is encounter. Encounter. Now another word is cope with. COPE, cope with. This is praise. The meaning of it, কোনো পরিবর্তিত পরিস্থিতির সাথে খাইয়ে চলা. PH praise means praise word শব্দগুচ্ছ. The synonym of it মানে এই শব্দটির সমার্থক শব্দ adjust, match. The opposite of it unadjust or unmatch. Now we are going to discuss another word, CRIM, crimson. Crimson adjective. The meaning of it, টকে বা গাঢ় লাল. The synonym of it is red. Now another word is launch. 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 This is verb. The meaning of it in Bangla, আরম্ভ হওয়া. আরম্ভ হওয়া বা আরম্ভ করা. The Noun of launch, launcher. The synonym of it, begin, commence, now another word is now we are going to discuss another more word. Constitution. This is noun. শাসন তন্ত্র. The verb of constitution is constitute, শাসন করা. The synonym of it, establishment, establishment. The opposite of it, disorganization.